Dear students, next topic, interchange of the degrees of comparison. So interchange means 1 degree, like positive can be changed into comparative and comparative can be changed into superlative degree. So this is called the interchange of the degrees of comparison. Okay, it's possible to change the degrees of comparison of adjective, that is from positive to comparative or superlative to comparative and superlative to positive. Example, no other metal is as useful as iron. So here in this case we are talking about the positive. We are talking here only about the iron, that iron is useful metal. Comparative, iron is more useful than any other metal. So here comparison of the iron with other metal. Okay, superlative, iron is the most useful of all the metals. Here any other metal means only single metal they are talking here, but most useful of all metals mean all the metals they are being talked about here. Positive, no other girl in the class is as intelligent as Nancy. Nancy is more intelligent than any other girl in the class, and Nancy is the most intelligent girl in the class. So this is than any other, this also we use for comparative degree here. Than any other metal, than any other girl in the class, here we are talking about the comparative degree. Superlative degree is the most intelligent girl in the class, means here we are talking about whole of the group, and out of that group Nancy is the most intelligent. My dear students, there are some adjectives. Okay, the different meanings like elder and eldest, they are applied to person only and are now used in speaking members of the same family. Than is not used after elder. So this is the most important thing, underline this one. Than is not used after elder. My elder brother is a doctor. He was the elder of the 2 sons. Okay, same family, elder. He is my eldest son, firstborn. Here we are talking elder and eldest. They are used for the members of the same family. Okay, in the same family when they are born. So in this way we are talking about here. Next is their older and oldest. Apply to person and things, and than is sometime used after older. Here after elder than is not used, but sometime after older we use than here. This building is older than the other. He was the older of the 2. Okay, sometime we can use than, and in some cases it cannot be used. Of the 2 means here other word is used, then we are using when 2 are discussing here the older. Okay, Sohan is the oldest boy in the class. Next is there farther and further. Further talking about the distance and further talking about the time. Okay, farther talking about distance and further talking about time here. Allahabad is farther from Jaipur than Agra. This must be finished without further delay, means without wasting the time it must be completed here. Okay, so in British English further is also now used to show the distance. Otherwise we are talking here with further we talk about the time, but now it can be used to show the distance here. Next is there nearest and next. Okay, nearest denote the distance or space, next denote the position. Nearest, distance. His house is nearest to me. Okay, distance. Next denote the position. His house lies next to my house. Position of the house next, and nearest means very close. Okay, nearest post office is a kilometer down the road, and my brother lives in the next house. His shop is next to ours. Okay, it talks about next talks about position, and nearest talk about the distance, short distance. Later, later, latest and last. Later and latest refers to time. Later and last denote the position here. Let us see through an example. I was shocked to hear about the incident but was delighted later. Okay, later means after time, when I learnt all the facts here. The latter portion of the book is rather difficult. Last portion. Okay, position, that is lying on the last. What is the latest news? Latest represent the time here. The last story, last mean position. Okay, so later and latest refers to time. Later and last denote the position here. Avoid the following error in the use of adjectives, like cloth is finer than others. We do not mix the two adjectives together. Okay, more finer, most finest, we do not write, we write more finer, not we write fine, finest. Okay, and this scheme is preferable to that, not more preferable. One of the three, Michael, Oliver and Karim, the last is the novelist, not the later. Okay, last here talking about the position. Okay, standing in the position, and the last is the novelist, means in the last in the position. Later is used in case of two, and last for more than two, showing the position more than two, and later is used for two. Like Michael and Oliver, if we are talking about Michael and Karim or Michael and Oliver, the later is the novelist. But here we are talking about the three, so we use here last. Okay, he wants not less than 2 kilos of, not fewer. Fewer, okay, and less. Few denotes the quantity, and few, that is used for number. Okay, few used for number, and less used for quantity or size here. Okay, he wants not less than 2 kilos. So here means the quantity 2 kilos. Okay, and fewer denote the number, no fewer than 2. 2 can be counted here. Okay, so that's why fewer is used for number, and less is used to show the quantity here. So here this is the most important part, 11.22. this is the most, okay, mostly the question they are covered from here. Okay, so learn these. This is also very important part here, so learn these. Note the correct use of the adjective in the following sentences, and this will help you to solve the exercises also. Exercises are given 1 to 3, so these will helpful to you to solve the exercises also. Like, take the shorter of the two routes. Okay, two, comparison between the two, so the shorter, not the shortest. Taj Mahal is more beautiful than any other tomb in the world. Okay, and he is my eldest son. Some speakers prefer to say older son. Okay, so elder, older can be replaced, but usually we must say eldest or elder. You can take one of the 4 books, not either. Okay, you can take either of the 4 books, you cannot say. What will you say? You can take one of the 4 books. Haridwar is the holiest of all the cities of India. Okay, not comparing with others, holiest. Okay, superlative degree. He is more charming than any other writer living. Okay, not any writer living, any other. Comparative, we are using any other here. Next, I like this house best of all I have seen, not any. All of all men, he is the cleverest. We are talking here the group of men. If we are using here other, then we are comparing. Mumbai is a seaport nearest to Karachi port. Okay, nearest means the closeness. And next we are talking, we use here for showing the position here. Okay, here nearest shows the distance, closer. Next, many a youth has ruined his career for want of good guide. I haven't got any bread. Okay, so any, that is used in the negative sense here. I haven't got any. Okay, so here not word, so that's why we use here. I have got some bread, that shows the affirmative. Okay, so not, it shows the, when not is there, then we use any. Many a youth has ruined his career for want of good guide. The first two, not the first two. The first two, we used to say the first two, not two first. Okay, we don't say 2 first boys. Note, the first 2 boys in the class shall have a prize. It was the unkindest, not the most unkindest, because kindest already the superlative degree here. The population of Mumbai is greater than that of any other town, not than any other town. That of we are using. Then with then we use that of. Okay, he ran fast, not fastly. I have not any money to spare. Not and any. Okay, I have no money to spare, not any, no any money. Okay, no fewer than 10 men were engaged. Already told you fewer we use for number. This is the latest. Okay, latest, not the last here. Okay, so latest means it shows the time here. Last, it shows the position. He looked angry. He looked angry, not angrily. Okay, so angry, it is adjective, and angrily it shows the adverb here. I have a she is my eldest daughter, not the oldest. Okay, younger than that. Have a 10 rupee note. We don't say 10 rupees. A 10 rupee, not a 10 rupees. Okay, both of his sons are good sportsmen, not his both sons. Same like here. The first two. Okay, both of his sons. This chair is superior to that, not superior than. Okay, I prefer death to dishonor, not death than dishonor. Prefer death to. So there are some particular preposition that are used here. The climate of India is colder than that of Africa. I have many friends. He has none. But no is not we are using. I have many friends. He has none. So that's all for this class here. I hope you will be able to solve this exercise 1, 2 and 3. This 3-1 exercise, it is also most important exercise, and you can do it very easily here. So thank you children. That's all for this English language class.